Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ameerul Afnan bin Hadi. My matrix number is 2024-263-358. Today, I would like to present about sea transportation. Sea transportation is the movement of goods and passengers using ships across ocean and seas. It is one of the most important transportation modes in international trade because it can carry large amounts of cargo at a lower cost. In Malaysia, sea transportation is very important due to our strategic location near the Strait of Malacca. Characteristic of sea transportation. Sea transportation has several important characteristics. First, it can carry a very large volume of cargo in one trip. And second, it is cost effective, especially for heavy and bulky goods. And third, it depends on infrastructure such as a port, shipping lanes, and cargo terminals. However, sea transportation is slower than air transport and may take days or weeks to deliver goods. Advantages and disadvantages. Sea transportation offers many advantages. It can transport large quantities of goods, has a lower transportation cost, support international trade, and helps economic growth by creating jobs. However, there are also disadvantages. It is slower than air transport, can be affected by bad weather, may cause pollution and oil spills, and sometimes faces problems such as port congestions and piracy. Infrastructures and network. Sea transportation relies on a strong infrastructure and network. Ports are important because they are places where cargo is loaded and unloaded. In Malaysia, major ports such as Port Klang, Port of Tanjung Pelepas support international trade. Malaysia also benefits from its location near the Strait of Malacca, one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. Policies and regulation. Policies and regulation help ensure safe and efficient sea transportation. In Malaysia, the Ministry of Transport and the Marine Department Malaysia oversee maritime activities at the international level. The International Maritime Organization or IMO set standard for ship safety, pollution prevention, and maritime security. This regulation help protect the environment and ensure smooth shipping operation. Stakeholders in sea transportation. There are several stakeholders involved in sea transportation. They include government, agencies, transport operators, passengers and consumers, environmental groups, and local communities. Each stakeholder plays an important role in ensuring that sea transportation operates effectively and sustainably. And now we talk about issues and challenges. Sea transportation faces several challenges. These include for congestion and environmental pollution, oil spills, and security risks such as piracy. In addition, the growth of global trade creates more pressure on ports, requiring continuous improvement in infrastructure of operation. For the case study, I chose Port Klang. Port Klang is the largest seaport in Malaysia and an important gateway for international trade. It handles millions of containers every year and connected Malaysia with a global market. However, it is also faces challenges such as congestion, environmental concern, and change in global trade. This case shows the importance of strong infrastructure and cooperation among stakeholders. And for conclusion, sea transportation plays a vital role in international trade and economic development, and it allows large quantities of goods to be transported efficiently and at a lower cost. Although there are challenges such as pollution, congestion, and security risks, continuous improvement and infrastructure and sustainable practices will help ensure the future success of sea transportation. Okay, thank you for listening. That's all from me.